Zoe!
Hi.
What are you doing today?
Biking.
Biking? Okay, let's go! Guys, welcome back to our channel! So, on my previous video, we have shown you how we taught Zoe how to ride a bike, and it's all about balancing and building the confidence of riding the bike. And right now, she have her own bike ready for pedaling. Are you happy with your bike? Yeah, see, thank you. Thank you for buying my squash blossoms. This is now my bike. Yay! Did you like it? Oh yeah, and you have a bag. Yay! So, oh, let's see. Oh, she saw the ducks. Ducks. Yeah, ducks. Oh, they are lost. They are supposed to be in the lake, right? Hi, ducks. Are you ready for the next step? Yeah. You're so pretty. Yay! Okay, let's practice your balancing. Then we're gonna do the pedaling, okay? What? You're doing it already? Whoa! Yeah, push. Push. You can do it, baby. What? But you should be on that area so the bike will go down and then you could pedal, right? Okay, let's go. Let's go there. Ready, set, go. So today Zoe need to practice her balancing because it's been a long time since she practiced her last balancing skills, and right now she's doing very well. So today we're gonna introduce her to pedaling. Can I let you go?
No.
Can I let you go? Yeah? Okay, let's race. Look where you're going. Yay! Very good, Zoe. Yay! One more time. Oh yes, she's so fast. Slow down, mom is getting old.
watching, guys. Bye.
See you next time.
See you next